Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you how to use Qinux Talkbuds AI Translator Earbuds. So, you may be wondering what is the Qinux Talkbuds AI Translator Earbuds you may be hearing online. So, the Qinux Talkbuds here are AI Translator Earbuds designed to translate conversations in real time. Now, according to the official website here, or the website here, they support more than 140 languages and dialects, works with modern Android, iPhone smartphones, and can also be used as a regular Bluetooth earbud for music and hands-free calls. Now, the talk buds here, or the earbuds itself, works by using two built-in microphone AI, two built-in microphones and AI powered translation software. When you speak, your voice is captured and translated into a selected language. Now, when the other person responds, their translated response can be heard through the earbuds. Now, the website also says the earbuds uses noise cancellation to reduce background noise. Now, remember, these are claims in their website. Now, how to exactly use them? Now, to use them, you first need to connect the earbuds to your smartphone through the Qinux app. Now, similarly to connecting normal Bluetooth headphones here, select the language you want to translate, then choose one of the four available modes. Touch mode is for quick translation using a button. Speaker mode is for group conversation without everyone needing earbuds. Free conversation mode provides continuous two-way translation, and offline mode allows translation without an interconnection for supported languages. Now, the website says the offline mode here supports major languages including English, Spanish, Chinese, German, while also less common languages features updates may require an interconnection. Now, the earbuds provide up to 7 hours of use on one charge, with the charging case providing approximately 24 hours total battery life. Translation features are advertised as requiring no subscription or additional fees. Now, the official website here lists the stereo music playback, hands-free calling, noise cancellation, AI translation, 140 languages, offline translation, and a charging case as the main features that you may want to know here. Now, in simple terms here, Qinux Talkbuds combines wireless earbuds with an AI translation system using microphone app to select language and manage the different translation modes here. Now, since this is an electronic communication device, doing your own research by checking the product specifications and information on the visual website is recommended before purchasing here. So maybe getting information outside of the website is also helpful, but it's up to you if you want to buy it. But that's about it. If you found this video, feel free to like and share button and watch our next video.